Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to completely remove Chrome redirecting to Bing search. First method is open Malwarebytes. Click Scan. Click Quarantine. Second method is, right-click Start button, click Run. Type %app data %. Click App Data. Open Local folder. Open Google folder. Open Chrome folder. Open User Data. Open Default. Open Extensions. Delete all extensions folder. Third method is open Chrome browser. Click three dots on the top right corner, click Settings. Click Search Engine. Click Manage Search Engines. Click three dots on right side of Google search engine. Click Make Default. Close and reopen browser. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.